Na Batman. Yo guys, what's up? Let's talk a little bit about Robinhood, the app. I'm sure you've heard of it, especially if you clicked on this video. But basically, what it is it's a platform to trade stocks, and it's just a mobile only, so you can only trade the stocks on your phone. However, because I guess they have such low, fees and such, like it's just an app, they don't have a lot of costs they're incurring. They provide free trade, so free buying, free selling, and very low, like if you want to trade margin, very low fees for margin trading. So that's pretty awesome. Like just right out of the bat, it's really rare to see that. I think there was one company that did it before, maybe not as well because they went out of money. They went bankrupt basically. So I'm a little skeptical that Robinhood will work out in the long run. But right now, it is an awesome opportunity to just save money and basically, keep more of your profits. So I would say Robinhood is awesome, and it definitely something you wanna start off with. I made the mistake of seeing Robinhood and just being like, whatever, and I had an opportunity to kind of like move money there, but I was like, it's not a big deal. And now I just really wish I had moved my money there, because although you definitely need something like Schwab or E-Trade or one of these big brokers, you need them just for the resources of financial statements, earnings and estimates, and fancier charts and whatnot. You don't really need them for trading, right? Like anything can perform the trade. Like Robinhood can perform the same trade that Schwab can or whatever. So honestly, Robinhood is just a great way to just start, or not even start. If you're more advanced or an expert user or whatever, you're just gonna save money using it, so you might as well. Now, again, reiterating, you still need a real brokerage firm, or some way, maybe not a real brokerage firm, or some way of getting access to financial statements and balance sheets and information on the companies. That's very important that Robinhood doesn't provide. That being said, I am even myself trying to break up with Schwab. Me and Schwab have a relationship right now, and I'd like to break up with them and just move to Robinhood, because in the last couple months I would have saved probably $1,500, and that's $1,500 in my pocket, in profits that just I've paid Schwab, $5 here for all the commissions. Adds up a lot. So my thoughts on Robinhood are, it's definitely something you should go with. Should definitely start with it if you're starting. Very low fees, the best way to do it. But just don't rely on it for making your decisions on buys and sells. Use it to execute, but don't actually use it to make your decisions. My decisions all come from analysis of like financial statements and growth and earnings and whatnot. And I can find all that on Schwab, but I can't find any of it on Robinhood. So right now, I don't have any money in my Robinhood account, but I really am, hopefully long term, going to just transition everything to Robinhood and make all my buys and sells there. But other than that, yeah, Robinhood, pretty awesome. If you guys use Robinhood, let me know if you have any negatives about it, because I'm a little skeptical that it can be so awesome. Because I've seen a company, I forgot what it was called, something that started with a Z. And they tried to provide the same service, and they failed and went bankrupt. So let me know if there are any negatives about it, other than what I kind of mentioned. Yeah. Other than that, it's a good app. Something I'm trying to go on, transition into, and yeah. So subscribe, and awkward transition. Bye bye.